Astăzi am pregătit pentru tine un filmuleț interesant. Sper să-ți placă și să-ți fie de folos. Dacă ești pentru prima oară pe canalul meu de YouTube, nu uita să te abonezi apăsând butonul subscribe din partea dreaptă jos a ecranului. Promit că o să ai parte de videouri interesante și pline de informații utile. Pentru mine să te abonezi înseamnă enorm. Îți mulțumesc!
Here is my main source of air, and this is in case of emergency. So I use this only in case of emergency, like if someone else finished his air, we can help. Or if I have problem in my source of air, so I can use the other one. This is not going to happen. So this is just for your information.
Yeah.
So this is what I am going to use. You know people who play in boxing?
Yeah.
They give them gum shield.
Gum shield, yeah.
So you have the same thing. How to hold it? We hold it with our teeth. Like when I bite something. But do not bite it so strong. Just to hold it. And then your lips should be out. Like this. Like when you say ooh. Okay, like Angelina Jolie. You know Angelina Jolie?
Yeah.
So I want all of you to be like Angelina Jolie. Me personally, I am Angelina Jolie. I'm not. So I hold this with my teeth. Inhale and exhale from my mouth. So do not use your nose. So I take air in from my mouth, air out from my mouth as well. So like this. So my nose is closed. I have the mask on. So what I can use, just my mouth. In and out, slowly as much as you can. What about if you got water inside? What you do? You just press the button, this button. So it is in my mouth. That's it. So if I got water inside, I just press the button. Do not take this off. So this is always in your mouth. If I have water sometimes in my mouth, that doesn't mean that I am bad or this is not good. No, it happens. If you smile underwater, if you make like this with your neck, you will get some water. So in case of you have water inside your mouth, just press. That's it. Okay? Or we have another option. If you still have enough air in your lungs, you can blow the air out from the mouth. Like this. So in case of I have water in my mouth, like this or like this. This is number one. Number two is about the pressure. As you are in the airplane, you feel the pressure in your ears. What you do? But you will not do this underwater. Swallow will not do this as well. So you equalize through your nose. So first I inhale and then equalize. I will hear my ears pop. So my mask.
You want next?
Thank you.
Oh my god.
The mask I have is made of silicone. So when I feel the pressure, I will equalize through the nose. So it is soft, easy to squeeze. What about if you equalized but you still have one of your ears not equalized? What you do? You tell me that you have problem. How to tell me? This is problem. That means problem. And I show at the problem. I have problem in my ear. What I do is just let you go up for 1 meter to reduce the pressure, and then you equalize again, and that's it.
Okay.
Got it? Number 3 is about the mask. The mask should be in the middle of my head. Your ears should be always free like this. For women, you have long hair. So try to put your hair up, not behind. So if you are like this, that will be odious. It will be just catastrophic for you. So your hair is up. It's like this, easy. Divers is to get water inside the mask. It happens that we have water inside our mask. What we can do? First, I inhale, take air in, and then I look up and exhale from my nose. Blow the air out from my nose. Like this. So air in from the mouth, air out from the nose. And you look up. Okay? You got it? Now we talk about how we communicate underwater. We use only our signals, our gestures. This is a question. It means, are you okay? I am okay. So do not make like this or like this. Because sometimes I will be behind you, holding the tank. If you make like this, you make it to the fish, not to me. So when I'm asking, are you okay? Please show me the signal. We are okay, or I am okay. This is
Good. One time.
good, let's go up. So this is not good. And this is not bad.
Go down.
This go down. And that is
I have a problem.
trouble. I have problem. And you show me where is it.
Here.
Yeah, but you show me when you cannot solve the problem.
Yeah.
So maybe you have water inside the mask. First try to solve the problem. If you cannot, if you forgot what to do, show me that you have problem in the mask. But do not tell me all the time, problem here, problem here, problem. No, just try to solve the problem first. If you forgot what to do, if you cannot solve it, tell me that you have trouble and show me where is the trouble. Okay? This is stop. Stop moving. Don't flip. No more flipping. And this is
Swim.
swim. Move. How?
Legs.
Legs. So we don't use our hands. Okay? That means look at me. Look at me. Look at this direction. Look at this direction. Okay? Some signals of the fishes, like this is Nemo fish. Nemo. So if I'm telling you look over there, Nemo, it means there is Nemo fish or clownfish.
Yeah.
This is Paracuda. You know Paracuda? It's a long fish with a long mouth.
Swordfish.
Paracuda. We call it Paracuda. Okay? There is also lionfish. Lionfish is dangerous as well. But it never goes to people. Never go to you. So if you go to it and try to touch, that is a problem. If you just keep watching, no worries. So this is lionfish, this is stonefish, coralfish, and this is crocodile fish. Crocodile fish. It's a fish, looks like a crocodile, looks like coral reef, and it is not small, big, it's like that. And it's always on the sand. So, the one who is so good underwater and can go deep to the bottom will see it. So if I tell you, look, there is crocodile fish, it is a completely like coral, but it's not coral, it is a fish. Okay? Do you have any questions? That's everything. And now
Dacă ți-a plăcut videoclipul pe care tocmai l-ai urmărit, nu uita să dai subscribe sau pe românește să te abonezi la canalul meu de YouTube apăsând butonul din dreapta jos a ecranului. Dacă dorești, lasă un comentariu mai jos sau ți-aș mulțumi dacă ai distribui acest video să-l vadă și alții. Pentru consultanță în turism, diverse întrebări sau rezervări, vă las în continuare datele mele de contact.